He started his career in the Punjab League, then went on to play the I League second division, which he almost won. And then he went to the I League, which he actually won. And then he went on to play AFC Champions League, AFC Cup, and now plays for an ISL side. I'm talking about young goalkeeper Arshdeep Singh, and he's going to feature in our second episode of Kalpanda Lockdown Special Split Screen. Hi Arsh, so good to see you again after a long time.
Good to see you too, Paji. I'm good, Paji. How are you? What's up?
I'm good. I mean, I am doing good, but not the city and not the country and not the world, in fact.
Yeah.
A lot of problems due to coronavirus and all that. But first question, how are you remaining fit right now? Because you can't go out of the house. So what do you do on a daily basis to remain fit and ready for the next season?
Paji, I have our club. You must be knowing Thangboy, sir.
Yeah.
So yeah, he just sent us he has given us the schedule to do things. So we have a schedule.
Mm-hmm.
So we work accordingly. So उसमें सब कुछ रहता है कि कैसा आपको endurance अपना रखना है and how to maintain your fitness and upper body, lower body, everything is there. So so we work according to our schedule.
So what is your schedule? सुबह से रात तक. What is your schedule?
सुबह से रात तक तो पाजी I'll tell you, my mother is not here with me. She is in Canada with my sister. So my father, he is in police, so वो ड्यूटी जाते हैं. So सुबह मैं करता हूँ पाजी, अपना ब्रेकफास्ट बनाना होता है, सारा सफाई करना रहता है, सब कुछ खुद करना पड़ता है, कुकिंग वगैरह सब कुछ. तो I just do yoga in the morning and then I do घर का all सारा काम and then PS4, FIFA, आपको पता ही है.
Of course.
So yeah, FIFA खेलते हैं, फिर शाम को I do workout, जो भी हमें schedule दिया होता है उस हिसाब से I do workout.
You were just talking about your dad, and a lot of the fans probably doesn't know the fact that your dad is a big goalkeeper and he represented a major team. So can you talk about that?
Yes, so my father, he is in police right now, but before he has played for JCT for 12 years. So उनको भी शुरू से ही मतलब उनको देखकर ही I've been watching him, उनका सारा वीडियोस देखा है, तो उनको देखकर ही मेरे को ऐसा लगा कि I need to start playing goalkeeper as a goalkeeper. So he was my inspiration and in the starting, and now even after matches we discuss all the he tell me about my mistakes, which mistakes I did and क्या करना चाहिए था वहाँ पे. So we discuss all that and उसके बाद my father is also a football goalkeeper, he's a goalkeeping coach too. So goalkeeping coaching भी करते हैं वो, तो it's a plus point for me.
Yeah, one package. He's a father, he's a goalkeeper, he's a goalkeeping coach. You've got everything covered. Huh?
Yes, exactly, Paji.
Yeah. About Odisha FC, and were you expecting to play so many matches? I was pleasantly happy that young Arsh has moved to an ISL team and he's getting so much game time. How was your season, and were you expecting to play so many matches?
So, Paji, पहले तो when I got to know that मेरी बात चल रही है ओडिशा, पहले वो दिल्ली डायनामोस FC थी, so जब मुझे पता चला कि बात चल रही है, so I was really happy because every footballer for now in India, everyone wants to play in ISL, so I was happy. And then जब हमारा वहाँ मेरा journey start हुआ ओडिशा में, I never thought I'll get that matches, utna matches I'll get because Doran Soro is a very experienced and a very good goalkeeper. So I just went there, मैं अपने मन में सोच के गया था कि I'll get a good experience playing under good coaches and a great goalkeeper. And when we played, when we went to Spain, and coach trusted me and he gave me the chances in friendlies. So ऐसे उसका trust build होता रहा धीरे धीरे. So I was more than happy to play the matches. Like इतने भी matches मुझे मिले हैं, इतने expect नहीं कर रहे थे, but फिर भी मुझे मिले हैं. Coach ने मेरे पे trust किया. I was really very happy.
And tell us about Odisha FC, because that's one team that really believes in its Indian players. So you've played a lot of matches. Nanda, Vinny, Jerry, a lot of Indian players have developed through Odisha. Uh, Before this, they were Delhi Dynamos. So what is the core ideology there? Do they really trust Indian players?
I think they trust in Indian players and they trust in young players. Because all our Indian players, you'll see we have a young bunch of players.
Correct. Yeah.
So our owner, Mr. Rohan, he wants to develop the youth Indian footballers. So he's very much into it. Like he wants our Indian team to play in World Cup. So they're promoting the young footballers and they're giving the young players a lot of playing time. So I think it's a very good initiative by him and अच्छा रहेगा हमारे इंडियन फुटबॉल के लिए.
Or something else that surprised me is that a lot of fans turned up in Odisha. I mean, it's a new club, first season they're playing, but there was a healthy supporters called Juggernauts, and they were
Yes.
in whatever capacity they were coming and cheering for the team in airport, at the stadium, and all that. So, how was that a pleasant surprise?
Yes, Paji. We were not expecting that kind of support in bench. Like when we started the club, like we were not expecting the kind of support we got. And when we came back from our pre-season, they were there at the airport. So when we played some friendlies in Bhubaneswar, they were there also. So first four or five matches, our home matches, we played in Pune because the stadium wasn't ready.
Correct.
So the result wasn't that good. But when we came to Bhubaneswar, when we played in Kalinga, the crowd was there, the supporters were there, and the result was phenomenal. Like we played 5 matches in Kalinga and then we won 4.
Exactly. Yeah.
So we felt the support when we came back to Kalinga. So I think they were the main factor. They were the main reason that we won so many matches in Kalinga.
So, I mean, is it fair to say there's a love for football in Odisha? There is a good.
Exactly, Baji. They love football. They love their club. They love football, and they'll do anything to support us and to make their team win.
So you were just saying that it's a dream for all Indian players to play in the ISL. For you, it's been a journey from the bottom. You played in I League second division, then you played with Minerva in the I League. Minerva actually won the I League, so that's a big plus as well. Can you talk about your own journey, where you started and how it has been so far?
Paji, it's been a roller coaster ride for me. Like I started from, I'll tell you, I started from Punjab League.
Yeah.
I was here when I came back from national team under 19. So I was suffering through jaundice, and then I came back, and after that I got my hand fractured. Then it took me like 1 year to get back to my feet. So after that I had no club. So I started from a Punjab local club in Malpur. So I played all the local tournaments there first. So I played there for 3 to 4 months. Then my brother, he used to play in Minerva. So they were playing a second division qualify round at that time.
Yeah.
So they qualified for the final round, and then my brother talked. He went to Bajaj Paji and उसने बात किया कि मेरा भाई भी है. So I went for trials, and then I got selected there. And then from there I started. We played the final zone. So second division, we came. We were the runners up, but Dempo they won, but उन्होंने वो खेले नहीं I League, वो गए नहीं. So we got promoted to the I League, and then rest. First year we won that good, result wasn't that good. So eventually second year we were prepared better, and then we were the champions of the league. Oh, even though I wasn't the part, like I played 3 matches and then I got injured. Mera ankle injury ho gaya tha. I played 3 matches, but still the feel of the winning and lifting that cup, that's amazing. And then coming back, then after that we played AFC.
Yeah.
Yeah, so playing from like coming from Punjab League to I League and then to AFC and then to ISL, I think it's been a roller coaster ride, and I'm very fortunate and I'm very blessed to be here. And I thank God for all the good times.
Like you were saying about your local hometown and Hoshiarpur area, that's a hotbed for football, isn't it? Can you talk about how football is so popular there?
Football is very popular in Malpur, especially in Hoshiarpur and Malpur. So I'll tell you, there's a local tournament there, 7-a-side it's called. So you must have seen the crowd in Kerala.
Yeah.
In sevens. So it's same in Malpur when we play sevens. So if it starts at 10 o'clock at night.
Wow.
And it goes around till 1, and then I'll tell you, the crowd is around 7 to 8,000 every time. 7 to 8,000 every time. And in the finals it's 15k, 16k. So people are crazy about football there, and there are a lot of tournaments going on every day, all the time. So you must have seen, we have a lot of players from there: Amrinder Paji, Karanjit Paji, Balwant Paji, many of them, Manveer, so Harmanjot Paji, Gurvinder
Come from
Paji.
that area.
Yes, all of them are there from here only in Malpur.
That's correct.
From Malpur only.
Arsh, you were also talking about the injuries, and you unfortunately have had a lot of injuries. Like every time you get a high, then there's an injury. How do you mentally prepare for this? Okay, physically you are all athletes, you will somehow get through. But each time you have a good season, then you have an injury. How depressing is it to again battle through the injury?
It's not depressing, Paji. Like first of all, when a player get injured, उस time पे थोड़ा mentality थोड़ा सा होता है कि यार इंजरी हो गई. पहली इंजरी होती है it's fine, दूसरी इंजरी होती है it's fine, फिर से बार इंजरी होती रहे तो थोड़ा player disturb होता है. But that's the time, I think that's the time to show the character. That's the time to be mentally strong. So mentally strong रहना बहुत पाजी important, and you just need to believe in yourself. It's not a big deal. Injuries are the part of footballer's life. So we have to go through it, and जब तक पाजी हम इन सब चीजों के बीच में से जाएंगे नहीं, you will never get the taste of the success. Like उसका मजा भी नहीं आएगा. जो भी हम अगर कुछ अच्छा हमें उसके बाद इंजरीज के बाद when you get that the result of your hard work, so that's the amazing feeling. So I think injuries is a part, and we have to go through it, and we need to be positive and character show करना चाहिए भाई उसका.
And one more question that I have is that you were telling about so many players who come from Punjab. And Punjab has traditionally been a big football hub. But we've not had say, post JCT, then there's been Minerva. But there are no clubs who've like really functioned at the top level. Do you think that's a problem? Do you think there should be 3-4 clubs from that region, Punjab, Haryana, Himachal?
Exactly, Paji. We have a lot of talent in Punjab. So I know a lot of college players. I have seen a lot of college players, school players, and academy players. So they do not have platform to go. We had a Minerva. So we have Minerva, but Minerva में ज़्यादा लोग तो नहीं आ सकते पाजी. Only 30 to 35 players in the team. So बाकी बहुत सारे talented players हैं जिनको platform नहीं मिलता है. So I think there should be more than 2 to 3 clubs in Punjab, and we need more clubs in all over India. I guess we have a lot of talent, and it's going waste.
Okay, probably like a last question. Now Arshdeep has reached ISL. He's also been in the reckoning for the Indian under-23 team before. I mean, close to getting a call to the main team and all that. What is your next goal? What are you aiming for next?
I think every footballer, everyone, we dream to play for the national team, senior India team. So that's the aim, Paji. I don't know how much time will it take to be there, but I'll try my best. I'll do everything to get there, and hopefully one day.
Hopefully, and I personally am looking forward to seeing you in Indian colors because you are like my favorite goalkeeper and a good friend. So obviously, rooting.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much for talking to us. It's been a pleasure. I'm sure a lot of fans got to know a lot of other things about you, and not just as a goalkeeper, but Arshdeep, the personality as well. Thank you so much for speaking to Kalpanda, and good luck for the next season as well.
Thank you so much, Paji. Thank you so much.